Okay, kids, never, ever, 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 I mean, never, ever tamper with the fire alarms inside of your school. That is a big no no. You don't ever do that because these are to protect the safety of students, staff, and visitors in the school. These are not to be played with. So do not mess with these, or else you will get expelled from school if you do this. So do not ever do this. These are to save lives. These are not to be played with. So do not play with it. Like, do not pull the fire alarm to skip a test. Don't do that. The fire alarm is only to be pulled when there is a real fire inside of the school. Why is it called a fire alarm? It is for fires. It is not for play. Get it through your darn head for those people that don't know what a fire alarm is. A fire alarm is a device that saves lives in case of a fire. It is not a device you can play with. Unless you have your own at home that does not contact the fire department. But in a public building, it is not a toy. Like, I volunteer in 2 different elementary schools. And so far, when I was there, the kids not pull the fire alarm. And they better not, because it is not a good idea. If you pull the fire alarm as a little kid, you will get sent to the principal's office. You will get grounded by your parents. But if you pull the fire alarm as a 18-year-old and older, you will go straight to jail because that is a felony. At that age, you know better not to do that. Even around 12, 13, 14, 15, you know better not to do that kind of stuff. But 17 and 18, you definitely should know better because you will go to jail if you do that at that age. Do not do this senior prank during your senior year in high school that involves pulling the fire alarm. No, do not participate in this. That is stupid. That is dumb. People that participate in these types of pranks are stupid and dumb and do not care about safety of others. And that is selfish. Goodbye.